Nati mwana mwebale kwanjira T Paulo ni mukuru wanje nanye ndiyo mulumu na Nati ngumye rukunde ejo Let me tell you koko abulizo nakashashana Let me tell you yes Let me teach you You wanna love me Yeah, really love me no te kumanya wanna love me really love me no te kunura You. I don't want your quantities. Your quantities. I just need your qualities. Your qualities. Excuse me, cause I'm catching. Nati, mutenga zawadi Vale Music. Abakunda mama wa jirangu woyo. Elizara mabere gonja bachara barebera mukazo kakunda. Ajane zimwenda kuri omunda ni parani nyitsiani ndiani zana. Hello mada. Mbajazi queen amtma my African mommy. Kisha che queen amte. No. What are you? Who are you? Did you know me? Niwa. No kankai. Ura mwana. Ebiro byo kweza nabyo ku 12 wano baza kubora ubushenyi tweshanje kabohame as gardens muje mu mpatire. Wano baza kubora ibanda tweshanje paka view ishongoro muje mu mpatire. Mwebare kunda MC Kacheche, mwebare kunda T Paulo, mwebare kunda Shukrani, anye mwebare kunda. I love you guys. Nami kumanya wanna love me, really love me. Nyamo, note kwa kunura. You. I don't want your quantities. Your quantities. I just need your qualities. Your qualities.